Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. I have a 1968 Chevy K20 4-wheel drive. I've never seen one of these before. I'm here with Mike, the owner of many years. Actually bought this brand new in 68 locally, right Mike?
Locally.
So how'd you come across it?
It was in the penny saver.
Very cool. Guess that's how you found your vehicles back then, right?
Yes,
In the paper.
That's the way it was.
It's beautiful. So it was
Tell them it was a step side.
Yep, we'll get there. He had it restored around 10 years ago. It's about 700 miles or so on the restoration.
I think so.
Cool.
Approximately.
Finished in medium blue with a blue bench, power steering, power brakes. Pretty cool. I think you added the brakes, right?
Yes.
Pretty cool. These are Spicer hubs. And back in the day, from what I recall, NAPCO did the conversions on these. But do you know who did the conversion on this? Maybe the dealership?
No, I don't know.
You don't know, huh? Such a unique truck.
What do you mean, the four-wheel drive conversion?
Yeah.
No. It was from the factory, I think.
Oh yeah? I've never seen one. Nice big step. This is a dump body.
8-foot bed.
Yeah, 8-foot box. On the sticker it says medium blue. It's definitely like an arena blue. You know, like the Chevelles and stuff back in the day. I love how they have the split hub too.
Split rims.
Split rim, I mean. That's neat.
Heavy-duty leaf springs. I needed them for the construction.
Sure. Man, beautiful job. Did the dealership do the dump body?
Pardon me?
Did the dealership do the dump body?
I really don't know.
No, but that's how you bought it.
Yep, that's the way I bought it. I don't know if he put it on, the owner,
Yeah.
or the dealership did it or what.
Yeah, it's just so unique. Very different. Cool interior. It's got tons of documentation too. Definitely original owner's manual. 4-speed. There's the transfer case. AM/FM radio. Beautiful restoration on this truck. Dash pad. Here's the sticker. Medium blue. Locking hubs. What's locking hubs right there? So that had to have been from the factory. Heavy duty battery. 4-speed manual. Oil gauge. Oil gauge is an option. That's crazy.
Back then they didn't require seatbelts.
Yeah. It is just neat. Right down to the felts. It's a beautiful truck. So it's a K20. Love the colors too.
Everybody loves it.
Right? It's so cool. Can you pop the hood? And there she is. So it's a 350.
Barrel.
4-barrel. Looks like a Edelbrock carburetor. It's a 600 CFM carburetor?
I think so.
Probably, right?
Still has points. Plugs.
Very cool. New battery.
Yes.
He also has a Plow. I used it for one season. And that's the hydraulic pump right there.
Yes.
Hooks to a belt. And then this is the hose that runs to the plow because it's hydraulic.
Right.
Pretty cool. Love the originality of this truck. Power steering.
You want me to raise the body?
Yeah, I'd love to see that, that's for sure. You can leave it open.
You can take a picture of underneath.
Mm-hmm.
How nice they did it. New brake lines, new gas lines. That accident really fucked me up.
Really nice underneath. Heavy duty axle.
Good enough?
Wow, is that as high as it goes?
I think it goes high.
Wow, that is so cool. Man, that's how they did it in the day, huh?
I can shut it, right?
Sure. Man, that is neat. You've owned this truck for almost 55 years. Jeez. Time flies, huh? I cannot even
How
imagine.
old do you think I am?
70? More? 72? 72? 74? More? 75? More? 80? Oh my God.
Just turned 80.
Jeez, you look great. Man, this thing is just fantastic. $6,958. So 106,958?
Okay.
Okay. AM radio. Doesn't work, but very cool. Man, it's so pretty. Yeah, what a gorgeous truck.
So you think you got a good sale here?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Hey, Mike. I've never seen one. Well, guys, give me a call, 631-339-0399. Took about 200 photos today. Check those out, including all the documentation, even the plow that he had used for one season. Give me a buzz, 631-339-0399. You can also check out our website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks again, Mike. Pleasure
You're
meeting
welcome.
you.